Lose weight with honey. Nowadays everyone is concerned about their fitness and makes every possible effort to shed extra weight from the body. Despite losing weight is quite a tough task, but it is mandatory to shed extra weight from the body as it causes many health-related problems. The extra weight on the body triggers obesity, cardiovascular disease and many others. People adopt many methods to lose weight. They follow a workout routine, intermittent fasting, and follow the diet plan. Though these methods are fruitful but quite tough to follow. If you want to lose weight easily, then honey and warm water are beneficial for you. The regular consumption of honey and warm water eliminates the body fat at the earliest. Here are some of the benefits. Benefits of honey for weight loss. Honey is loaded with vitamins and minerals that help increase energy and boost immunity. This could help you stay active and work out more. Honey helps boost metabolism, which causes more fat to burn. A study conducted on rats showed that honey may help reduce weight gain and obesity. Honey is said to have a low glycemic index due to its high fructose content. Another study conducted on rats fed a high-fat diet found that Malaysian honey can reduce weight gain and control obesity, regulating lipid metabolism. Honey acts as a prebiotic that clears your digestive tract and removes toxic wastes from the body. Honey with warm water for weight loss. You can even enjoy honey with warm water to reduce weight. Ingredients. A glass of lukewarm water. 1 tablespoon organic honey. How to prepare. Heat a glass of water and heat it to a lukewarm temperature. Mix a tablespoon of organic honey and drink it while it is still warm. 2. Honey and lemon for weight loss. Mixing lemon and honey creates an effective and easy DIY detox drink to lose weight. A study conducted by the San Diego State University on rats has suggested that honey may reduce weight gain and obesity. Lemon is also effective in detoxifying your body to aid weight loss. A study on the lemon detox diet showed positive results in aiding weight loss and improving insulin resistance in premenopausal women. Ingredients. 1 tablespoon of organic honey. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. 300 milliliters of water. Grated ginger optional. Salt to taste. How to prepare. Heat the water in a pan, but do not bring it to a boil. If you overheat the water, set it aside to cool down a bit. Stir in the organic honey, lemon, grated ginger, and black salt. Your detox drink is ready to serve.